Let us make some Nigerian jollof rice for the first time. And for all my Nigerian friends, brothers and sisters out there, if you come across this video for the first time, let me know how I did in the comment section below. So for veggies, I have red onions, tomatoes, red bell peppers, hot pepper, and garlic. I am going to go ahead and start prepping these veggies, and you want to ensure that you remove the seeds from the red bell pepper, because if you don't, then your rice will end up tasting a little bitter and you don't want that. And you can cut your peppers and onions and tomato in any shape that you want. You do not have to cut it in this shape that I am doing it. It doesn't matter. So once I cut these veggies, I'm going to place them on a baking tray, spray some olive oil over it, and bake for about 40 minutes. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more recipe. It should look something like these. See how on top of it look burnt? This gives the rice the smoky taste that you should get compared to just blend it in a blender. So I'm going to just go ahead and place this in my blender and blend it. And this is how it is looking. In a pot that you're going to cook your rice, you're going to add some vegetable oil or whatever oil that you choose to use. Add more onions and let it fry for about 2 minutes. Then go ahead and add your tomato paste. Now I'm going to go ahead and stir it and allow the tomato paste to fry until about 15 minutes because I want it to fry properly. It should look something like this. Next, go ahead and add your blend veggies. Stir it properly and let it fry. I am going to go ahead and add some thyme, bay leaf, cubes, curry powder, Maggi. Give it a good stir and let it fry for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how it is looking. So I'm going to go ahead and add my washed rice. Ensure that the liquid is about 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter above the rice. You do not want to add too much liquid for your rice to turn out too soggy. And if you are new to my channel, welcome guys. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. If you're watching from Nigeria or any part of Africa, comment down below. Let me know as a Jamaican, how did I do? How did I do? Do I deserve a comment for this video? Because this is my first time trying and I absolutely love it so far. It tastes delicious. And guys, if you haven't tried this recipe before, I hope that you give it a try because it is amazing. I will definitely try it again. Now I'm going to go ahead and add file paper on top of it and let it cook on medium heat. And here you have it, the final product. I am super amazed by the outcome and I love it. See you in the next video.